few years ago, Jolandi Speedy and Paul Cordes told me about this race, and they told me very nice things about it. It's a beautiful race, well organized, and you can have a lot of fun there. And so I waited a chance to go there, and now we have this chance with Peter, and that's good because riding with Peter was also always a lot of fun.
Nekako je bilo zmeri vsako sezono moj cilj oziroma tudi najin cilj Cape Epic. Lansko leto sva z Epico zmagala, tako da sva rekla, da najdeva nek nov izziv. Odločila sva se za to dirko za Joburg to Sea.
Cape Epic is just a professional thing. A lot of television media, it's all about media and professionals. It's just a money-making machine. Yes, so it's completely different.
Vsi mi pravijo, da to je res neko tako pravo doživetje, čisto drugače kot Cape Epic, ampak bomo videli, dan po dan.
I think the people are more relaxed than at Cape Epic, and the organization is much more with the riders, not only with the media and the sponsors. So I think we appreciate a much better time here because the organization is doing everything to make the riders happy that they come again. And I like those kind of races.
I think what we want the guys to feel for the 9 days is we want them to come away saying, wow, okay, this country has so many good people. So every village is different. We make sure that we make every village different for them. We make sure that the food is not always the same. We don't get sponsors that are in people's faces that tell them how to be and how to eat, what to eat. Everything's flavor of the country, everything, the ground, the terrain they ride over, it's all different from start to finish. We're in the mountains one day, the next day we somewhere else. And that's what Joburg to Sea is about. It is a journey from the city of Johannesburg to the sea. It's the best way to see South Africa if you fit.
Yvonne Kraft, bivša nemška olimpijka v krosu, in Cerkničan Peter Vesel na začetku nove pustolovščine. V Južno Afriko sta se vrnila kot zmagovalca Cape Epica z željo po novem dokazovanju. Dirka od Johannesburga do Indijskega oceana, več kot 900 km Afrike, povsem drugačna kot preizkušnja v zahodni Kaplandiji, zaradi trase, zaradi pristopa, zaradi ljudi. Prva etapa od Heidelberga do Frankfurta, dolga 116 km, ni štela v skupni rezultat. Bila je zgolj ogrevanje in spoznavanje terena.
One, 106. Okay, take 106.
77.
Thank you.
So we don't fight the others the first day, we just do our 111 kilometers, what is still like a race because it is a long distance and we have to survive the long distance. But we have to be smart enough not to kill each other, and we want to do the best preparation on this stage.
V bistvu bo bolj testiralo opremo, nekako ogrevanje, ker nekaj dni niso bila pač v najnem pravem ritmu, kar se samega treninga tiče. Živčnosti ni, zaenkrat še ne. Mislim, da bo ta prava nastopila v soboto zjutraj.
Starting the stage, huh?
Yes, just check it. It's long, but not much climbing. I hope it's not too much wind. It's better to know when you drink and eat properly. So when you don't know when the next climb is coming, you maybe start eating right into the climb, what means your body is wasting energy to take the food, and you're not strong for the climb. So it's better to eat before the climb and then have some time to get the food in and then start climbing, then you're stronger.
We start in a province called Gauteng. Then the ride actually goes through a little bit of a province. No one really knows this, called Mpumalanga. It's an African language word. And then we go into the Free State, and then we drop from the Free State into KwaZulu-Natal. So the interesting thing is Johannesburg's got 11 official languages. All the people live there. It's multicultural. Everyone lives there. Then we go into very Afrikaans territory. It's called Afrikaans, very much like Dutch. And that's where people speak Afrikaans. And the black people in those regions speak Sotho. And then we go down into Natal, KwaZulu-Natal, where the black people speak Zulu and most of the white people speak English. So everything's different. The language is different and the food is different and the culture is different.
Our goal is to do our best result we can do, to stay together, to race as a perfect team, to be nice to each other all time and to help each other the best we can.
Mi treba probati čim bolj uživati, se s tem primerom ne nekako obremenjevati, no, in narediti ne boš kar znala.
Peter in Ivon sta stara znanca etapnih dirk, skupaj imata za seboj na desetine startov, tudi v paru imata veliko izkušenj, vrhunec njunega sodelovanja pa je lanska zmaga na Cape Epicu. Na startu dirke od Johannesburga do morja je poleg njiju še več kot 500 ekip in posameznikov, vsak s svojimi načrti in cilji. Za začetek 900 km dolgega potovanja pa etapa brez tekmovalnega naboja.
I think for everyone is something nice to have a neutral stage like this at the beginning, that everybody has to finish this stage and it's neutral. I think it's relaxed for everyone. It's to find each other, to see the riding. It's easier.
Če sem čisto iskren, no, mi je ta etapa zelo prav prišla, no, ker par dni nisem treniral tako, kot bi mogel. Pač smo imeli dolgo časa na poti, pa samo to življenje v Johannesburgu glih ne dopušča kakšnih resnih treningov, ker moraš biti skozi pozoren, da ni kakšne neumnosti, ne. Tako da smo bili zelo malo časa na kolesu v bistvu, tako da je ta prvi dan res dejansko zelo prav prišel.
Having a good lunch after 100 kilometers. Great. It was a relaxed stage today. It was just speed on the road, but it was okay.
Planov še ni, ne. Plani bodo jutri že po prvem kilometru nastali. Bomo videli, kako bodo drugi, tako provala midva. Pač spet bom rekel tako, no, prvo na nas gledati, kaj bo to prineslo, pa bomo videli jutri.
Z drugo etapo se je dirka začela zares. Jutranji ritual prebujanja v mrzlih šotorih, pakiranje, odhod na start. Pred kolesarji je bilo 93 km etape po planoti na nadmorski višini našega Vršiča, ogromno prašnih makadamskih cest in le nekaj enoslednic. Vse skupaj je začinila vožnja po železnici.
Tam na tej železnici je nastala luknja in nismo mogli te luknje poflikati in zato sva ostala sama. Železnica je bila sicer kratka, mislim, da je na 2 kilometra.
I think the railway is not for bikes, but we survived a few kilometers on the railway and now I hope it's the last time on the railway. We will find better trails here.
V prvem delu dirke, vsaj do province KwaZulu-Natal, steze potekajo čez ogromne farme, zemljišča lokalnih kmetov, ki svoje travnike odprejo za kolesarje. Koristi je obojestranska, saj se organizatorji kmetom za gostoljubje oddolžijo. Tudi Peter in Ivon sta okusila dobrodošlico na okrepčevalni postaji na eni od kmetij sredi pašniških prostranstev. Medtem ko je Peter polnil zaloge, je Ivon odhitela naprej. Kmetje, potomci prvih evropskih naseljencev Burov, se na dogodek pripravljajo tedne prej. Celotno območje živi za to dirko.
In South Africa, the schools they need money, they need funding. So many of these landowners, their kids go to these very rural schools in the communities, and they know we're doing good for the schools. So they say, well, this is fantastic. Come through our land.
It's for the love of our community and the love of the school. So the sponsor that we as Reitz put in here today, all that money go back to the school in the town of Reitz.
They support us so much because our school needs the money, and we also separated the money between the creche and the voortrekkers and the hostel of the school. So it's about the whole community who is involved here. It's just a joy to be here today for the children too. We were so excited yesterday. We even struggled to do our assessments. So yes, it's great. It's a special opportunity for Reitz School.
Many say come through anyway. Many say this is my backyard. With pleasure. They're so proud of their farm and they want us to see their farm. But mainly it's the farmers that say, wow, this event is about putting back into the community. So they say, with pleasure, come through. As long as we don't let their cows run all over.
They always clean up afterwards, and there's nothing we can say that's negative about the cyclists coming through here.
Things like this, it makes it nice. It makes the community nice. You come together again. You see your friends. I think it's quite nice, and it's a huge financial impact for a small town like Reitz as well. An event like this.
Joburg to see has tried from the beginning to make it a mutual beneficial relationship. All the farmers are behind them, and we try and make it better every year.
Peter je medtem napolnil zaloge, veriga namazana, spustil se v lov za Ivon, da bi prinesel vse potrebno. S to taktiko na okrepčevalnih postajah nista izgubljala dragocenega časa. Pot proti cilju etape se je nadaljevala, a na odprtem sta po železnici ostala sama, izpostavljena vetru.
It is hard for me to go on fire roads straight against wind. That's not my kind of riding. I'm a technical rider, trail rider. So this kind of riding is very hard. And I had this bad crash at Cape Epic. So my back hurts a lot. And then riding just monotone against the wind, bumpy, monotone, that's horrible. going in technical trails, it's more relaxing, more changes, it's easier for me.
Glede na njeno konstitucijo bi vsak človek rekel, da je ona zelo hitra po ravnini, ampak kar se mi zdi z vozil z njo, je dejansko na strm klanc, tam je dejansko najtežje, tam je zelo močna. Pač škoda nekako, da ni tukaj več teh višinskih metrov in teh strmih vzponov.
When there are local teams in the peloton, it's never easy to stay in the big group. So after 30 kilometers we were alone against the wind, and the other teams were sitting in the group, and Sonja Luni lost the group too because she is not a local. So the 3 local teams are inside this big group.
To verjetno niti ne delijo mogoče zavestno, jaz to vidim bolj, da delijo podzavestno, da mogoče pomagajo svojim tekmovalcem, da če slučajno kakšen odpade, da se počakajo, da če vidijo, da kakšen tujec odpade, to gre če dalje bolj.
Morda je rešitev prav v zavezništvu s Sonjo Luni in njenim partnerjem.
Na takih dirkah se iščejo zavezniki, vedno poskušaš pač najti kakšnega zaveznika, pač, da ti pomaga, oziroma kadar je treba, da pač to uslugo vrneš.
I think she will be fine when we're riding with them, but we have to follow them. They won't slow down for us. Maybe they will be a bit more friendly than the other riders, but slowing down, not.
Do cilja sta si nabrala še več kot 20 minut zaostanka, več kot sta pričakovala za prvo etapo.
Peter is a fighter against the wind. Peter is a fire road fighter. I'm dying there, it's so hard.
Vedel sem, da bo dosti kasirala, ne. Po tistem, ko sem ostala v bistvu sama, sem rekel, ne vem, pol ure, mogoče celo kaj več, no. Ampak pol potihem upaš pač, da mogoče bo ki manj, ampak dobro, teh 20 minut bo provala pač nadoknaditi v naslednjih etapah, če bo šlo, pač bomo videli, kaj bo, ne.
It's the beginning of the race. It's not the end, it's just the beginning. So we will do our best the next days and the best team wins.
Nad Taborom se je prebujalo jutro 3. etape. Pred kolesarji je bil še en dan potovanja proti goram po širjavah vzhodne svobodne države. Novo zgrajeni odsek steze je bil na vrsti šele ob koncu 122 km dolge preizkušnje. Pred njimi je bila težka naloga. Ivon in Peter sta zaveznika v boju proti domačinom še vedno iskala v Američanki Sonji Luni in njenem japonskem partnerju. Jutro je bilo na višini 1600 metrov mrzlo, spet je nasprotnik lahko tudi veter. Začetek je bil obetaven, ekipa MDM se je vozila v skupini z najboljšimi.
Pa spet po 2 urah sva stala sama, ne? Ker pač je stara luknja gor na njeni enoslednici.
I think it was after 60 kilometers. It was on the grass trails and they pushed very hard and it was a lot of wind there and there we lost it. I knew that those farmland roads are very, very hard for us. There are more facts. It's high level, it's over 1,700 meters, and we live down, so we are not used to that. That is very hard for us. And the locals here, they live here, and Sonja Luni live in the top of the mountains too. So we really have this disadvantage, for sure.
Naporni, duha ubijajoči kilometri so si sledili v nedogled. Razlika je naraščala, Peter in Ivon sta bila spet v izgubljenem položaju.
Zadnjo uro sva šla v Ivoninem ritmu, tako da jaz nisem niti pritiskal najno, ker pač imela tudi sama kar nekaj težav z utrujenostjo. Tako da sem se vozil za noa in sem dejansko tako sem opazil pač te gore in to jezero Sadje, res je bilo prečudovito, no, tako da sem kar zavriskal. No.
After 111 kilometers of a hard fight, we came into the nice trail, the nice climb, and a beautiful downhill trail. That was very nice, and the great view to the blue lake. It was really great. When you see that view, you can enjoy it. If not, you do something wrong.
Čudoviti razgledi so slaba uteha za športni neuspeh, a izkušena Ivon Kraft se ni predala malodušju.
I'm sure we did a really strong race the last 3 days, but it was just the wind against us, the high level, and it's not easy. When you're not a local, not riding in a fairly group, then it's difficult. But we felt really strong and we were riding strong for sure.
Jaz upam na najboljše, da predvsem gledam na to, da bi bila dobro odpeljala, da ne bi imela težav, da bi se Ivon dobro počutila, da bi se s tem tudi dobro počutil, da bo oprema delala in če bo tako, pa da dava se od sebe, pač ne smela biti sploh razočarana. No.
Jutro četrte etape je napovedalo nove zaplete. Peter je imel še pred startom težave z zadnjo gumo, tudi na startni črti s kolesom ni bilo vse v redu, a pred začetkom mu je le uspelo napolniti gumo. Kilometrov, etapa z več spusta kot vzpona, spust v KwaZulu Natal je obetal spektakularen dan, a do tja je treba najprej prikolesariti.
I was suffering very hard to get into the trail because my legs were like stones this morning. But on the trails I recovered and it was so beautiful.
Ne le Petrova pomoč, kazalo je, da bosta tokrat dočakala želeno sodelovanje s Sonjo Luni in njenim partnerjem. Manjša skupina si je prikolesarila lepo prednost. Tudi ob vstopu v stezo je vse teklo po načrtih. Ekipa MDM si je obetala napredovanje.
Nama je dejansko bil pašano, ker sem tudi videl, da ne se bila zadnjo uro Ivon res tako med pravimi ritme, ki poznam Cape Epica, pritiskati, ni počitka, vsak hup se prešprintati, čist drugače pociral na takem terenu.
Just had the bad luck that Peter got so many flat tires, a broken spoke and things, so it was not that good luck, but we did a very good race for us and the trails were just great.
V bistvu skozi so bile neke težave dejansko, pač guma zadnja me je spuščala, prepričan sem, da ni napaka na same gume, zato ker ima noter pač mleko, Ko bi teklo ven, če bi nekaj defekt ali pušča kaj ventilo, ne vem kje, da te res zdaj ugotoviti. Tako da pumpo sem nas 3-krat. In pol je pač ko jaz rečem, jaz imam problem, moram napumpati, pet naprej, pol jo lovim in pač normalno, še en dan topleje ne več ne.
Peter je ravno pravi čas ujel Nemko, kajti sledil je napovedani vrhunec etape, spektakularni spust v Zulujsko kraljestvo.
Danes je bilo resno, danes je bilo izredno. Že takoj tam gor na začetku, tak čudovit pogled, zdaj na koncu pa sploh, mislim, je bil res na glavo, noro.
Out down the cliff, for sure down the cliff, the beautiful view, and then down the cliff was great. It was just amazing, and then down the rock parts, the rock gardens, that was great.
Toda Sonja Luni in Yuki Ikeda sta izkoristila Petrovo smolo z gumo in v nadaljevanju silovito napadla. Američanka ni hotela sklepati zavezništva.
So I don't really like racing like that. I think just kind of every team for themselves, you know, because the GC, like, it just changes, you know, every day's result changes every single day. So, yeah.
She wants to get the third place too. She's battling the top 3, like the same. But okay, we don't fight against each other, but we respect each other, that's it.
The road sections in between are really challenging because there's large packs of men, and trying to stay in the pack is, for me, it's very hard. But I love the trails. That's what I ride at home, so it's the best part.
Po odličnem začetku sta bila Peter in Ivon v zaključku etape spet v težavah, z novimi minutami zaostanka. Boj za stopničke se je vse bolj odmikal, tudi četrto etapo sta končala bolj ali manj sama, utrujena po številnih težavah.
We just continue racing. You can't make a plan because you never know what happened.
Od sebe dati svoj maksimum, pa kaj to prinese, pač prinese. Jutri gremo naprej.
Nov dan, nove preizkušnje. 5. etapa, 122 km, začenjali so se dolgi vzponi. Utrujenost se je zavlekla v mišice, tudi Ivonina pljuča niso bila v najboljšem stanju. Travnate steze so kmalu zamenjale makadamske ceste, ki z obilico prahu niso pripomogle k izboljšanju stanja.
Proga je bila taka, da bi se vozil po naših javornikih. Makadam, mogoče par 100 metrov steze, pa spet makadam, široke ceste, kadilo se je.
We had so much traffic on those farm roads and always the dust, and the helicopter was pulling up the dust, and that is too much.
Imela je on res zadnjo uro, pa pol, 2 ure, blazno velike težave z dihanjem. Ni mogla dihati in smo šli dejansko počasi.
It's just fresh here and my throat is full of dust, so it's hard to breathe at the moment.
Etapa se je končala v šolskem kampusu v Cliftonu, v megli, mrazu na visoki nadmorski višini.
It was just bullshit flying around all day long.
Welcome home, Andrea and Julia.
Sully, you look stunning. Sully, pretty soon.
Prah, kravji iztrebki, napor, mraz proti večeru, še dež. Ivonino stanje se je poslabšalo, morala je k zdravniku.
What they said, so you can continue to race or?
Yeah, we'll see tomorrow, but I think I can continue, but carefully. And they gave me antibiotics that it's not getting into a lung infection. And I will see, I must be careful.
And you will sleep in tent tonight or?
The medics told me to organize a dry room so I can sleep in a classroom tonight. Because it's rainy, everything is wet. They left my bag out in the rain when I was at the medicals. That's not nice.
Zaradi zdravstvenega zapleta je bilo nadaljevanje dirke pod vprašanjem, a vzdržljiva Nemka se je zjutraj le pojavila na startu.
Did not snap because I was pushing out the slime all night long. Because the nose was blocked and the throat was blocked. So I was up all night. Let's see how it works.
Šesta etapa, novi vzponi, nova zgrajene steze čez plemenska ozemlja in nadaljevanje boja za čim boljšo uvrstitev. A že po nekaj kilometrih so se pojavile nove težave.
Približno ene ure po podirki je von otvorila nosilc menjalnika, mu res takemu zelo zahtevnemu vzponu.
My derailleur hanger broke and so we had to change it and I'm happy I got a spare part with me. So we could change the derailleur hanger, but it took 15 minutes or something like that.
Mislim, res je se skupaj zgledalo grdo, že ki je sestavljeno nazaj, ki smo zamenjali pač sam nosilc menjalnika, je bilo vse skupaj zapleteno, zavozlano, zaštolano, tako da je bilo kar precej grdih besed izrečenih na proti šraufanju. Pa smo pač nazaj pošli v svoj ritem in pač skušala rešiti, kar se je rešiti dalo danes.
And then we had to catch up from behind on the single trail to pass all the slow riders. So it was a beautiful stage, beautiful trails, but bad luck.
Je bilo pa danes predvsem zanimivo to, no, ko smo štartali zjutraj zgodaj, je bilo 10 stopinj, pa se je skupaj malo grelo in smo spet prišli v naslednjo dolino, ki je bila megla, hladno. Pelali smo se po njih stezah dol, dejansko ni bilo skoraj nič videti, no, Ivan se dala celo čala dol, je samo v redu vidljivost, je bilo hladno.
Steze so kolesarje popeljale na plemenska ozemlja, kjer gorskih kolesarjev domačini še nikoli niso videli. Kmet Andrew Pooley je od plemenskega poglavarja izprosil dovoljenje za gradnjo stez in prehod. Navdušenje je bilo nepopisno, na okoliške griče so prišli prebivalci od blizu in daleč. To pa je prizor, ki je Andrewa Poola spomnil na povsem drugačne čase. Čase ob koncu apartheida. Leta 1994 so se za oblast tudi na tem območju borile različne stranke.
This was a very IFP area, and the ANC moved in to dominate it and take over. And this community got together and they tried to fight it. And then one day they made a mistake and they killed 4 policemen here over the ridge. And all the community fled when the police came in with helicopters to come and find the perpetrators. Today's a happy day because that reminded me of that time, but today is a different scenery. It's a happy day, and the people are happy, whereas that day was sad. Mm-hmm. It was a sad event. They lost local leaders in their community, and to see today all the people happy, and also on the copies, but happy, just makes me happy.
Ob prehodu oblasti z belske manjšine na črnsko večino je bilo tudi veliko poskusov nezakonitega prevzema zemlje.
I had a lot of problems. I've worked hard with this community to work with them and be able to live with them. It's not impossible. Also there, I think there's got to be a lot of change with land transformation. It's happening slowly. But yes, there was a lot of trouble back at that time where there was a lot of anger in the country. People were angry. But people seem to have got over that, and they're healing. It's healing. It's all about healing to me. And I just think time will take its course and time will heal. Some people might say it's not quick enough, but you know, how are we going to change it any quicker? I think it'll happen, and as I said to you earlier, this is just wonderful because this is change. For us to be able to sit with the community, film this race, have it come through here is wonderful. That's the kind of thing we need.
Siyabonga. Niyazwa nonke lapho phezulu. Siyabonga. Siyabonga kakhulu.
Siyabonga, hvala, je rekel plemenski starešina in v nagovoru prebivalcem skušal razložiti razsežnosti dogodka, ki so mu bili priča. Sodelovanje med črnskim in belskim prebivalstvom je kljub vsemu še vedno redkost.
Kako? The fact that we can be here today and hold a race through this community is fantastic. There's no hostility, they're friendly, they're very happy. I think we've come a long way in our democracy, and it's just going to take time for people like this to access sports like this and get the money to be able to enjoy it. And I think a race like this will do that and open the doors and give opportunities. And I think it's just wonderful, it's positive.
This sport, as you can see, there's a lot of white faces and there's a few black faces, okay, in South Africa. there's a lot of very wealthy black people that don't ride mountain bikes. So it is a bit of a cultural thing at the moment. We're trying to change that. The communities that you see, they are poor. Okay, so to buy a mountain bike is not easy. But we can, as one rider said to me once, he says, we may not be able to get everyone on mountain bikes, but we can help everyone. And that was the best way of putting it, because it's saying, well, not everyone can ride mountain bikes. It's very expensive, these bikes. They become even more expensive. But with the riders going through, we can start helping them to have libraries. We can start helping them to just experience different people.
As the first of all,
Where is it?
I like to say thanks to the God.
Colin.
I'm still alive to see that what is happening on our side in Chief Zuma.
Good luck with him, but I just quite understand.
So it makes that everyone, you can see the people, they are happy and they are enjoying evening. Our children, they are happy to see that. They're lucky because they see that for my life, I'm too old. I don't know how I'm going to start to join that. I'm too old now. But I'm very happy to see that, so that make people must be together, enjoy it, enjoy their life. I'm very happy about that.
Dirka se je medtem nadaljevala, Peter in Ivon sta se čez plemenska ozemlja spet približevala cilju, tudi tokrat sta ostala sama, a zaradi Ivoninega stanja je bila glavna naloga priti s čim manjšim zaostankom do cilja.
Ivon, mislim, glih ni bila krosca, bom rekel, no. Imela kar dosti težav, sploh spet zadnjo uro popuno. Je težko dihala, dosti kaštala, pa spet sem poskušal nagotoviti trenutke puščati v njenem ritmu, da je vozila, no. Sem se postavil za njo in tako so poživela dan.
Dirka je bila vse bližje razpletu, karavana vse bližje toplemu Indijskemu oceanu, a afriška narava niti to jutro ni razočarala. Temperatura se je na startu spustila blizu ledišču.
The ice cold wind, the first 2 hours was crazy.
Jaz sem se celo pokril kapo, pod kapo, pod čelado, no. Mi je zdaj prav prišla, no.
Dust and the wind, that's the worst, just the dust and the wind.
Nisem si mislil tudi, da bodo take mokre ceke, ki so bili. Malo sem se v štartu bal zapeljati na tiste plavajoč most, no. Dejansko plava, sploh nerodno je, če gre kakšen tekmovalec pred tabo, kot kakšen danes pred mano Ivon, no. Ne več, koliko se bo vse skupaj to premikalo, enostavno moraš gledati naprej svojo linijo in to peljati.
Peljati proti cilju. Boj za mesta med prvo trojico je bil dokončno izgubljen, zdaj je bilo treba najti drugačno motivacijo.
Ne vem, jaz sem se nekako sprijaznil, no. Ivon vidim, da se ni. Enostavno poskusa iz sebe še izmeri stisniti tistih 110%, pa če si pomagam, kakor pač pomagam.
In potem je sledil najlepši dan na dirki. Steze po najbolj odmaknjenih predelih Južne Afrike, kjer je obraz belca še vedno atrakcija, izjemna trasa, dih jemajoči razgledi. Zulujsko kraljestvo, sanje vsakega gorskega kolesarja.
Danes bo res tak dan, da lahko rečem samo wow, a ne?
Yeah, it was an amazing landscape. It was so great. I loved this day. It was just beautiful.
Karkoli sem zdaj odpeljal, pa tega nisem odpeljal malo, no. Lahko rečem, da bo to najlepši dan, no, preživeti na kolesu.
Those rocks, the cliffs, the river down, when we went down the single track, it was just beautiful.
Taka pokrajina, taki pogledi, take steze, res neverjetno.
The first real top mountain bike stage, it was just pure mountain biking. Yeah.
Če bilo prej nekaj tako, kar nama zelo ni bilo všeč, ne? Že zaradi same te etape, no, je bilo pač vredno ostalih 7 etap trpeti. No. Rara se mi di res tisti optimum, no. Boš mislim, da se ni dalo, no. Pač je ona dala svoj sebe, niti imela težav z dihanjem danes, ne. Nisem tudi pomagal, kako sem pač mogel, kako sem pač dalo, no. Nam je šlo redo, no, skozi smo imeli enak dober ritem, no. Fajn je bilo.
Yeah, the legs are good. The breathing was much better than the days before. Not optimum, but much better. And I enjoyed the riding today.
Le še finale, zadnja 9. etapa je bila pred udeleženci spust do morja, ki pa ga je oteževal izjemno močan veter.
Začela sva dosti hitro, sva se celo vozila tam na drugem mestu, tretjem cajt. Pa sem imel težave z ventilom na zadnjem obroču, se nekako čraufal, nisem pač tega precej opazil, tako da sem mogel dvakrat napumpati gumo in obenem tudi Ivon poloviti nazaj.
At the last 40 kilometers, when I needed him more than before because we had a hard headwind, he was not with me because he was repairing the flat tires, and so we were always a few minutes out of each other, about 2 minutes. So he was catching up, stopping again, catching up, stopping again. And for me, this was a kind of disappointment. We reached the beach. He was just speeding up on this bridge. It was the last 10 meters. He saw the finish, he speeded up and gave me a hard wave, so I fell into the water.
Skupaj se to guncalo, dejansko ni moglo stati na kolesu.
The first rider can take it easy, but the second got the waves from the bridge. And when the first rider is changing a speed, then it gives a different wave. And then the bridge is not stable anymore. And so I had no chance. It just waved me out of the bridge. I had no chance. I saw it coming and said, shit, there's nothing to do.
Ivone Kraft in Peter Vesel sta, čeprav na neposrečen način, le prišla do cilja. Morda sta padec v vodo, pa tudi osvojeno končno 5. mesto, kar je manj od pričakovanj, pokvarila občutek veselja in olajšanja po opravljeni nalogi.
mogoče sva tudi sama se narobe predstavljala to dirko. Že sama trasa ni bila tako pisana nama na kožo s temi ravninami, hitrimi etapami.
We did our best riding. We were very fast alone against the wind, so we did not lose so much time riding alone, so we can be very happy to finish it like this.
Moram reči, da sva vsako etapo borbala maksimalno, kakor se dalo, nisva počivala. Oba so dala res maksimum od sebe in dejansko pač nimava se kje očitati. Peto mesto je pač dejansko to, kar je nama pripadalo na tej dirki.
Dirka od Johannesburga do Indijskega oceana, več kot 900 km Afrike v vsej njeni različnosti, je nekaj posebnega. Gotovo drugačna kot vse ostale, ki sta jih Peter in Ivon odpeljala doslej. Rezultatsko se ni šlo po željah, a doživetega, razgledov, spustov in vzponov, intimnih občutkov premagovanja in dokazovanja ima ne more vzeti nihče. To je svet, v katerega lahko vstopijo le izbranci.
Je na nek način kot droga, kot neka zasvojenost, da enostavno greš, da vidiš, da trpiš, da se stvari dogajajo, ne vem, enostavno te vleče. Kaj je to vzrok, ampak enostavno smo ljudje eni naštimani za te stvari, da to počnemo na nek ekstremen način. In dokler bom to rad počel, dokler me bo to vleklo, bom počel še naprej.
I think I'm like anyone. I want to find out my limits. I want to find out how fast I can go, and it's fun to go fast, and it's always fun to reach the top of the mountain first.